Hey guys, I'm Sayan Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of 10xhorrorkids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my JavaScript or Python videos. So without any delay, let's get started. So today we are going to talk about safety measures on digital commerce. So the first safety measure that comes in my list is encryption approach. So in encryption approach, we encrypt and decrypt messages. For example, there are two people, Alice and Bob. Alice wants to send a message to Bob. So first, Bob will give her his public key. Then Alice will type her message, encrypt it with Bob's public key, and then send it to him. The message was encrypted using Bob's public key. That's why he can decrypt it using his private key. So in real, you just go, you have a contact named Bob. You just go to his chat room and just type a message and it goes to him. So this is all backend. So this is all backend security, encrypt and decrypt. Okay. So this is all happening in the back that you can't see. Okay. You must be knowing that. So the second item that comes in our list is digital signature. Digital signature is mainly used for authenticating that the real user has signed it. So for example, Alice has signed a document and Bob has to verify it. Verify if Alice really has signed the document. So we are taking an example of Bob and Alice again. So digital signature is mainly used for authenticating that the real user has signed it or not. For example, Alice has signed a document and Bob has to verify if Alice has really signed the document. So first, Alice will send her public key to Bob. Then she will sign on the document and encrypt it using her private key. Then when Bob will receive that document, he will try to decrypt it using Alice's public key and it will be decrypted. That shows that Alice has signed the document herself. Okay, so this is digital signature, and again I am saying this all happens in backend. It is all backend. The third and the final item that comes in my list is use of HTTPS. So we should use HTTPS instead of HTTP because in HTTP the requests and responses are sent as plain text, whereas in HTTPS the requests and responses are encrypted and then sent. Okay. So if you log in into a website, and it is a not secure website, if in its link it is HTTP instead of HTTPS. So all your information, your password, your name will go as plain text. So if a hacker interrupts in between, he can see all your account information. Whereas in HTTPS, if in the link of any website is HTTPS, that means that if you are logging into something and a hacker interrupts in between, then he will see ununderstandable things. He would not be able to understand anything, whatever he finds. So this is the use of HTTPS. So this was the list of safety measures on digital commerce. If you have another point, then please comment down below. Okay, so let's have a quick recap. Today we did encryption approach, digital signature, use of HTTPS. In encryption approach, we encrypt and decrypt messages. In digital signature is mainly used for authenticating that the real user has signed it. And in HTTPS, the requests are sent as they are encrypted and then sent. Whereas in HTTP, the requests are sent as plain text. So I hope this video was informative for you. And if you found this interesting or informative, smash that like button. I deserve it. I literally deserve it. Okay? I deserve it. Okay? So thank you guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to smash that like button. I'm seeing it again and again because it motivates me a lot. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, if you ask me, here is subscribe and here is a like. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it and press that notification button too, so that you never miss my JavaScript or Python videos. Subscribe. Bye guys. I hope you found this video informative. Bye.